Reverse mortgages are more popular than ever in Illinois. Is it a good option for you? What are some of the pros and cons you should consider? What people love is the peace of mind and the ability to meet financial obligations, such as medical bills, and still be able to enjoy life. Also, the ease of the loan process is a positive factor in that neither your credit history nor your income is a factor in qualifying for the loan. You just have to have at least 50% equity in your home, a minimum loan value of $100,000, and be at least 62 years of age. Freedom from monthly payments is another attractive factor. Once you have the reverse mortgage loan, any existing mortgage will be paid off from the proceeds of the loan. Thereafter, you are not required to make monthly mortgage or loan payments ever again, thus relieving one of the great burdens facing many retired persons. Some are concerned that they will lose the tax deductions of the interest on their home payments, but this is perhaps more than compensated for by the fact that the entire reverse mortgage loan itself is tax-free. For many, it is comforting to know that when you pass on and the home is sold to repay the loan, any remaining value does pass to your heirs. Likewise, in the event that the amount owed exceeds the amount realized from the sale of the home, the reverse mortgage lender cannot turn to your heirs for payment. Since you are required to continue living in your home, a reverse mortgage may not work for you if you want to be able to use your home as a rental property in the future. Likewise, if you are determined to leave your home to someone, perhaps a disabled child, then a reverse mortgage is not an option you should consider. Another concern for some is the cost associated with a reverse mortgage. They are often higher than those of a traditional mortgage. For example, the amount you pay for your FHA insurance. But this is because that insurance guarantees that the bank can never ask you or your heirs for payment if the sale of the home results in less money than was owed to the reverse mortgage lender. Also, you should know that you are required to set aside funds for the annual tax and insurance payments on your home. As the home remains in your name, this requirement protects both you and the reverse mortgage lender. There are many pros and cons to consider in making the decision to take out a reverse mortgage, so it is good to know that you are required to take a special course which explains in detail all of the possible ramifications of the reverse mortgage you are considering. We are here to help you get the information you need and to find the very best reverse mortgage lenders in your area. If you meet the initial requirements of being at least 62 years old, having at least 50% equity in your home, and a loan value of at least $100,000, then contact us today for a completely free consultation. Once we have your information, we will send you a free packet that shows you how much you could qualify to borrow and a list of the best reverse mortgage lenders in your area. Call us today.